Hi all, in this video we are going to see the usage of anchor link in HTML. The anchor tag is mainly used to create the hyperlink when we click a text or the image. So we can create an hypertext and hyperimage so that we can able to navigate through the anchor tag from one web page to the another web page. So this anchor link can be achieved with internal, external, and by using the mail to attribute, tell attribute and creating an hyper image, and we can create a download link and we can create a bookmark. The bookmark mainly allows you to navigate within the same page. So this is the structure of my web page. So I have the code already with the sample code which is written in VS Code, which having a body tag with various fields to create an internal tag, external tag, mail to, and making a call, hyperimage, download link, and then bookmark. Now we will see how to create the anchor link with various usage. Before that, I will just show you how our output web page will look like. So this is the way how my web page look like. So I am going to add anchor link in every part of the web page. So first I am going to target with the internal link. So to create an anchor link, we have to use the anchor tag and the text what I want to click it. So I have to give the text here. So this text will be acting as a hypertext which make you to give a hyperlink from one web page to another web page. So now I want to give an internal link. Internal link means when this hyperlink is clicked, I want to navigate within the web pages in the same project. So to give which project it has to navigate, I have to give the href. The href contain the file name where this hyperlink has to be navigated. So I have a file already inside the same project folder, that is basic.html. So when I click this navigation link, the web page will navigate to the basic.html. So I can just go here. I have the navigation link. When I click it, it will be navigating to my basic.html. So here my previous page and the new page is loaded in the same tab. Sometimes you want to, when you click the link, it has to open in a new tab. So for that we have to give a thing here, target property. So target is equal to underscore blank. So when we give target is underscore blank, if I click this link, the new link will be open in a new tab. So the whole link will be, the whole file will be still available in the same tab. And we have another one property here called as title. So title will be acting as a tooltip. So I do here click me. So when I save it, so when I move the mouse over it, the title will be displayed as a tooltip. And now we'll move to the next way of creating the anchor tag, which will give a hyperlink to the external website. So here I have a structure href target. So I need to click the visit Google so that it has to redirect me to the Google website. So I have to give the link here, https://www.google.com. So when I save it, again I will go and refresh. So I get visit Google. So when I click visit Google, a new window will be open, the google.com, the external web page get open from the local web page. So the next thing is we have to create a H reference to the email program. So to open an email program to send a mail to a particular person, we have to use an attribute called as mail to. In the mail to, we have to give the mail ID to whom you want to send a mail. So when we click this hyperlink, it will allow you to open the email program installed in your computer so that the mail will be sent from this HTML page to the particular mail ID. Save it. When we click this link, it will launch the email program installed in the computer, that is the Outlook Express. So there it is have a from mail ID and the to mail ID what we have given in the mail to attribute. And the next thing we can do with the hyperlink is to invoke the phone call. So I have the href here. I am going to give a phone number. When we click this hyperlink, this will enable the phone call applications installed in your computer so that the call will be going to this particular number, whatever we have given in this attribute. To specify the phone number, we have to use the attribute called as tel. So this will allow you to go to the telephone app to make a call. So now no app is installed in my computer. If you have a Skype, automatically it will allow you to redirect to the Skype application, and from there the call will be going to the particular phone number. And the next thing, we can do it with the anchor tag. We can create a hyper image, that is a clickable images. So for that I am going to create an anchor link. If I click this particular image, it has to go to the corresponding hyperlink. So href, I am going to give the same thing, that is basic.html, and I have to specify, instead of text, now you have to specify the image as a hyper image. So you have to give the image src is equal to apple.jpg. This is the image. So it will create an image icon, and which will be acting as a hyper image. So when I click this image, it will go to basic.html. That's to open in a new window. So I am going to give target is equal to underscore blank. We create a clickable image. When we click it, it will open a basic.html in a new tab. And the next thing is, we want to create a clickable download links. So here I have the href, and when I click this particular text, the file whatever I have given in the href, it has to be downloaded. So I have a file here, a PDF file. So I just click that PDF file, and when I click this download link, this file has to download. So to enable them, I have to use an attribute called as download. So then go here, click the download button, the PDF file get downloaded. This way you can use your anchor tag to provide a navigation between the web page of the same project, or from the web page you can go to the external website, or you can open the mail application, you can open the phone call application, you can create the hyper image, and you can create the downloadable link. The final one is creating a bookmark. So bookmark allow you to navigate within the same page. So to create that, first I need to create an anchor link. So these are some of the anchor link I have created. So when I click this internal, the page has to navigate to the header part of the internal. So to identify this h1 tag, we have to give the ID. So the ID value I am going to give it bookmark 1. And this bookmark will be referred inside this href by using hash symbol, because ID will be referred with the hash symbol and the corresponding ID name. Same thing, I want to refer the external. So I am giving the ID value, and then I am going to give as B2. And mail to, I am going to use with ID value is B3. So that also I am going to refer in my bookmark using the hash symbol. So hash B2, and this is hash B3, and call hyper image download. I go to call, and I am giving the ID value is B4, and hyper image I am going to give ID value is B5, and the last one, downloadable link, I am going to use with ID is equal to B6. So this I want to refer, so use the corresponding hash symbol and referring with B1 and referring with B4, B5, and then referring with B6. So save the program. You have your web page. This is our bookmarks. When I click internal, the page itself scroll and go to the header part of the internal. So now it's coming to the internal. Suppose I want to go to the call part. So making call. So that allow you to make a bookmark within your web page to navigate within the web page. In this demo, you have got an idea how to use the anchor tag for the various usage, that is creating an internal link, external link, and connecting with the email application, telephone application, creating an hyperimage and enabling the download option, and followed by navigation within the same page using the bookmark. Thank you.